If you buy the wrong car in 2026, you might not realize it until you've already lost thousands of dollars. And the crazy part? The car that looks cheaper today is not always the one that saves you money tomorrow. Gas or electric? Most people are choosing wrong, and they don't even know why. Everyone's arguing about gas versus electric cars. Some say EVs are the future. Others still swear by gas. But instead of opinions, today we're looking at real 2026 cost breakdowns, the kind dealerships don't explain clearly. Let's start with what you see first, the price tag. Gas cars are still cheaper up front in most cases. You go to a dealership and the difference feels obvious. Electric cars? Still more expensive in 2026, even with improvements. Yes, tax credits exist in the US, but here's the catch. Not everyone qualifies, and not every EV even gets the full benefit anymore. So right away, gas cars feel like the safer financial move. Now this is where things get interesting. Gas prices in the US are unpredictable. They can look fine one month and jump the next. Electric cars promise cheaper running costs, but only under one condition. You charge at home. Because the moment you depend on public fast chargers, the cost advantage starts shrinking fast. And this is the mistake most buyers make. They calculate EV savings without calculating how they'll actually charge it. Now, on paper, electric cars win easily here. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, less maintenance. Sounds perfect. But here's what people underestimate. The battery system. It doesn't usually fail suddenly. It slowly degrades over time. And when replacement is needed, it's not a small repair bill. It can be one of the biggest costs in the entire ownership cycle. So yes, maintenance is lower, but not risk-free. This is the hidden money leak most people ignore. Gas cars tend to lose value more gradually, but electric cars are moving into a fast tech cycle. Better range, faster charging, new battery tech every year. That means older EVs can feel outdated much faster, even if they still work perfectly. And when a car feels outdated, resale value drops faster too. That's real money gone at the time of resale. So at this point, the answer is not what most people expect. Here's the real 2026 truth. If you mostly drive in the city and you can charge at home, then electric cars can absolutely save you money long term. But if you travel long distances, rely on public charging, or switch cars every few years, then gas cars can still be the more financially stable choice. If you want, I can break down the 5 most reliable money-saving cars in 2026, both gas and electric. Just comment "smart cars," and I'll make the next breakdown.